Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Imagine receiving an email that looks like it's from your company's IT department. It asks you to reset your password or open an urgent document. Everything looks legitimate, so you click the link. Within minutes, hackers gain access to your company's network. Days later, your files are encrypted, sensitive data is stolen, and a ransom demand appears on every screen. This is exactly how the Medusa ransomware gang operates. In this video, you'll learn how Medusa phishing campaigns work and the simple steps you can take to protect yourself and your organization. What is the Medusa ransomware gang? Medusa is one of the most dangerous ransomware groups targeting businesses, hospitals, schools, and government organizations. Unlike random spam emails, Medusa attacks are carefully planned. The attackers research their targets and create convincing phishing emails that appear to come from trusted sources such as IT departments, software vendors, or business partners. Their goal is simple: trick someone into opening a malicious attachment or clicking a fake login page. Once that happens, the attackers begin taking control of the network. How does a Medusa phishing attack work? The attack usually follows 5 stages. Step 1. Target research. The attackers collect publicly available information about a company using websites, LinkedIn, and social media. This helps them create emails that look authentic. Step 2. Phishing email. Next, they send a fake email that appears completely legitimate. It may ask you to review an invoice, reset your password, or open an important document. Step 3. Initial access. If someone clicks the malicious link or opens the attachment, malware is installed silently. The victim often doesn't realize anything has happened. Step 4. Moving through the network. The attackers then search for important files, administrator accounts, and backup systems. They quietly move from one computer to another while collecting sensitive information. Step 5. Ransomware deployment. Finally, Medusa encrypts company files and displays a ransom note. At the same time, the attackers threaten to publish stolen data if the ransom isn't paid. This is known as double extortion. How to protect your organization? Fortunately, there are several ways to reduce your risk. Always verify unexpected emails before opening links or attachments. Enable multi-factor authentication for all important accounts. Keep your operating systems and software updated with the latest security patches. Use advanced email security solutions that can detect suspicious attachments and malicious links. Regularly train employees to recognize phishing emails because human awareness remains one of the strongest defenses. Finally, maintain secure offline backups so your organization can recover without paying a ransom. Conclusion: the Medusa ransomware gang continues to target organizations around the world using highly convincing phishing campaigns. A single click on a fake email can lead to data theft, financial losses, and business disruption. Stay alert, verify suspicious messages, update your systems, and make cybersecurity awareness part of your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.